In this video, we'll be looking at the BTCUSD. The BTCUSD, from what I'm seeing on the daily chart, we are expecting price to drop massively to the downside on BTCUSD. So expect the BTCUSD to drop this month. So let's dive deep to the analysis so that we know why we say we expect the BTC to drop. So from my chart, you can see that previously we have a series of a higher low. Previously we are in uptrend. So long we have this uptrend movement. After then, price was in consolidation. Price has been in consolidation for some period of time. Then after price break out of the consolidation, we now see price reversed. As price reversed, price do a retest, then price push back to the downside. Then so long price reverse and push back to the downside, and also have this consolidation, then which is an inner structure. Then price reverse and break low of the higher low of the inner structure, then retest and gave us this price action setup. So long price gave us this price action setup, we set BTC to break this low, which is we set BTC to drop to 73k. So expect BTC USDT to drop to 73k within this month and next month. So how do you trade this BTC now? So long we have a price action setup on the BTC USD, look at your selling opportunity on the higher time frame. If you want to sell BTC now, you must look at your selling opportunity from the higher time frame, because with the top-down analysis, you need to confirm if BTC is clearly to drop. So I don't want to do the confirmation for you because I'm avoiding analysis paralysis. So just do your top-down analysis, but with what you have on the daily chart now, we are expecting BTC USD to drop, because the daily chart have confirmed the drop. All we expect now, we're expecting the BTC USDT to drop to this 73k level. This area we're expecting BTC to drop to. Then we also, from our trend line also that connected the 3 swing points, we're also expecting BTC to break. Once BTC break this trend line, we expect further push to the downside for the BTC. So once we see price break this trend line, we expect a retest, then we see a push to the 73k for the BTC. Then it's advisable you drop down for entry purpose. If you want to reduce your risk, you can drop down your analysis by reducing your risk. I'm currently on the BTC sale already with my stop loss at this area, and I take profit at 73k, which is this trade I'm currently on. I'm currently on this trade. You can see I'm currently on a BTC USD. So I'm currently in BTC USD. So I'm expecting price to go to 73k. So look for an opportunity after price break below this level to sell BTC USDT. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just using this as an occasion for my YouTube channel. If you find this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips.